Welcome back, children. We're studying about animal tissues, isn't it? And in this today's video, we are going to study about the muscular tissues. So, do you remember what are the different types of animal tissues? As we have studied about epithelial tissues and connective tissues. Okay, so today we are going to study about muscular tissues. Okay, so as you know, muscular tissues main function is what? They help in the movement of the body, isn't it? They help in the movement. Main function is that, isn't it? And the cells of them, they are elastic and they are elongated. Okay, the tissues are made up of cells, isn't it? And the cells of muscle tissues are known as muscle fibers. Okay, muscle fibers, or you can say muscular fibers. Okay, so they are what? Muscle fibers are what? Elongated cells of, okay, muscles. Muscular tissue is called what? Muscle fibers. So what are muscle fibers? They are elongated cells. Each cells of muscular tissue is known as what? Muscle fibers. Okay, and muscular fibers, okay, they are elastic in nature and which are having some contractile proteins, okay, which help in the movement. Okay, there are certain proteins which can contract and relax, so they help the muscle fibers to what? Do the function of movement. Clear? And the muscular tissues are mainly of three types. Okay, they are what? Striated muscles, okay, then smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Is it clear? There are three types of muscular tissues. What are they? Striated muscles, okay, striated muscles. Then what? Smooth muscles, okay, smooth muscles. Then what? Cardiac muscles. Okay, striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Okay, striated muscles are also known as voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means which works according to our will. Okay, which works according to our will, and also they are known as skeletal muscles. So the striated muscles are also known as what? They are also known as voluntary muscles, and also they are all known as the skeletal muscles. Okay, so why they are known as the voluntary muscles? Because they work according to our will. Okay, for example, the muscles in our hand, okay, they work according to our will. If you want to move it, you can move the muscles of the hand, and you can move the hand, isn't it? So because of that, they are known as voluntary muscles. They are also known as skeletal muscles. Why they are known as skeletal muscles? Because always these striated muscles, they are associated with the skeleton, okay, or our bone. So only it is also known as what? Skeletal muscles. Then why they are known as striated muscles? Because you can see striations, okay, striations or dark, and here you can see, isn't it? In this, if you watch closely, you can see what? Different striations, light and dark bands, you can see in them. Okay, so as there are striations, they are known as stripped muscles or striated muscles. Okay, so you can see the bones. Okay, they are, these muscles are associated with the bones, and you can see the dark and light, okay, bands you can see here. So the due to this, they are what? Known as the striated muscles. Okay, is it clear? And you can see the shape of these tissues are what? Or cells, the cells of the striated muscles. What are the cells known as? What are they known as? They are known as muscular fiber. So each muscular fiber, if you see, you can see they are cylindrical in shape. Okay, cylindrical in shape. Is it clear? This is clear to you? That is skeletal muscles or striated muscles or what? the voluntary muscles that we have studied now. Okay, so next group is what? The smooth muscles. Okay, smooth muscles. So from the name itself it is given, what is this? Smooth means there is no striations. Okay, you can see here. Okay, can you see? So here no striations. No striations are there in them, in the muscular fibers of this smooth muscles. Okay, so you can see them. They are pointed, they are having spindle shape, isn't it? Each of them, you see, they are spindle shaped, their ends are pointed, and their ends are pointed, and they are having what? Spindle shape. Okay, and you can see them, there is no what? Smooth striation, so only they are known as what? Smooth muscles. Okay, so smooth muscles are also known as involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means which are not working according to our will. Okay, for example, the muscles in the respiratory system, okay, or in the esophagus, okay, trachea, so all these are not working according to our will, isn't it? We are not knowing when they are working, or we are not aware about that. So that kind of muscles are known as smooth muscles, okay, or involuntary muscles. Okay, smooth muscles or involuntary muscles. Is it clear? So is it clear? Their shape, you see how it is, they are pointed at both the ends, spindle fibers they are having. Okay, now you see, they are having only a single nucleus, and here you see there are more than one or many nuclei are there. Here only one nucleus is there. Okay, so this two type of tissues are clear to you. Then next type of what? Muscular tissue is, muscular tissue is cardiac muscles. Okay, cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscle is very very special. They are present only in our heart. Okay, the tissue which is present, or the tissues which make up our heart, is called what? Cardiac muscles. And this cardiac muscles, you see, they are branched. Okay, they are branched, cylindrical shaped. Okay, and they work continuously without stop. There is no what? Rest for them. Okay, from the beginning of the life to the end of the life, it will be continuously working. Okay, and they are also cylindrical shaped. Okay, and many nucleated, okay, type of cells they are having in the cardiac tissues. So is it clear? So what are the different kinds of muscular tissues? There are three types of muscular tissues. What are they? They are skeletal muscles, okay, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are also known as voluntary muscles, or stripped muscles, or striated muscles. Clear? Then smooth muscles are known as involuntary muscles. They are not working according to our will. Okay, and cardiac muscles are those which are present only in our heart. Okay, so this is clear to everyone.